Welcome to another video of the ARIA tutorial series by ExoTools. This is part 2 of our video series on the shape view inside of ARIA. In this video, we are going to cover the view option area of the shape view. The first button is to isolate the selected nodes. Select the nodes you want isolated, then click the button. You can deselect the nodes in the isolated view and work with the node from there. Just click the button again to exit the isolated view. The second is the upstream downstream button. ARIA takes your selection and traverses the network to determine the related upstream driver nodes and downstream dependency nodes and adds them to an isolated view. You can select any node type or multiple nodes and ARIA will do the traversing for you. This is a great way to work with combinations within large networks to help understand the structure of the shape network. The next button is the Dependency Node Display Options button. This button shows the related upstream driver nodes or downstream dependency nodes as children on the network node directly in the shape view. Additional options are available with a right mouse button context menu. The first is whether to show the dependency shapes or hide them in the shape view. You can show both upstream and downstream relationships when the option is set to the full tree. For example, notice that the upstream and downstream nodes are shown on combinations that also have other combination nodes as downstream dependents. If you have set the option to be upstream only driver nodes or upstream nodes will be shown contextually as children. For upstream direct drivers only, this will show the first level of the upstream tree. Notice in combinations that have multiple levels of upstream drivers, for direct drivers, you would see upstream combination nodes instead of both upstream combination nodes and their primaries. Next is the ability to toggle the display in the shape view for alias names on primary nodes. Primary nodes can be displayed with their long name or their alias name.